How do you feel at this point in time, seeing that Igbos are being celebrated in Africa? A Yoruba pastor came out recently and said that what is inside Nnamdi Kanu is bigger than Nigeria, is bigger than Africa. What does it actually mean?
Thank you very much. And first of all, let me appreciate our viewers all over the world. And I pray for you. May God bless you, and bless your family also, and bless your hand job, and show you the right track, to succeed in life. In the mighty name of Jesus. Yes, that's a signal. It's a signal to the whole world. I mean, to Nigerians. It's a big signal. They tell you that Igbo man is not, Igbo man is not a lazy people. They are not lazy. And they always concentrate. And they don't believe this is my own. They believe we own everything. We all own everything. That's the Igbo man for you. And we don't worship king just like that. No. King, you have to respect the common man. And the common man will respect king. That's the Igbo man for you. Then come out and say the Igbo man don't have king. Yes, absolutely. Because when you respect king much, the king will begin playing one kind of game. That's why they say Igbo man don't have king. That's why they say Easterners, the Igbo don't have king. We are not, it's not a painful thing to us. We believe on that we don't have king. Because we don't want you to suppress us. We don't need suppression. We believe that, do this, do the right thing. That's the Igbo man. Do the right thing. So that we will follow you, we will back you. That's what Igbo man believe. The Igbo man celebrating today all over the world. It's a signal. It's a big signal to them. Yes. Because Igbo man do not believe. Let's go and finish everything. Let's go and finish it. No. Igbos believe. Let's go and struggle. Let's go and do this, to be right. Not bring it and let's share them. Share everything. You are sharing the thing. What of tomorrow? What do you think about tomorrow? You have to organize. You have to invest first before it starts. Before it begin blocking, begin to block whatever you plant. That is simple man for you. That's why they're coming out to always having Igbo man, having the Easterners, because they don't know how it's come, how the Igbo man progress. They say we'll do blood money. Igbo man believe in blood money. Fine. We agree with them. Then let them go and do and succeed. If Igbo man is doing blood money to survive in life, let them go and do it. Know how it is. Know the pens that is inside the blood money. They will understand how the blood money is all about. They will understand. So, as they are celebrating Igbo man today, Nigeria may be shocked. They may be shocked. Why are they celebrating Igbo? Because Igbo man believe that we are together. Hence we are together. Let's move this thing forward. So that the thing will germinate well, will grow. Not like Nigeria. That they believe that okay, let's go and produce the banana. You have to make the banana grow. You have to make it, circulate everywhere, circulate where. Invest some before you begin the pluck. The Nigeria believe that let's go and pluck it. It's our own. That's Nigeria. That's the west and the north. That's the west and the north for you.
What do you think that Igbo should do at this point in time now? Because we should be thinking of, starting. And I know that most Igbos are starting developing and moving their business to the east. And people are saying that if Igbos have started, I said no. Igbos are adventurers. They are Republican. They can be anywhere. Structures in Lagos does not matter anything. Igbos can transform Biafran land in just no distant time. All we need is just our own nation, country we can call our own. Then we can move at any pace we want. But the Yorubas seems to have been playing double standard. In Lagos here, considering the fact that they want to lay their hand on what Igbo man has left, and now that the Igbo man goes, there will be space for them to do whatever other people will come in and the rest of them. What is their view on that?
Thank you very much, because say the Yorubas, this was a shocking, it shocked them like electric. It shocked them like a naked wire. And they mistakenly, go and tamper with it. They mistakenly tamper with the naked wire. At the end of the day, it was shock to them. So what they are saying about Igbo man, about the Easterners, it was shock to them. Because after Nigeria Biafra war, what they think that Igbo man will never rise. But with God, with God, the Igbo man was rise by surprise to them. What they think that the Igbo man will begin, after Nigeria Biafra war, they will start picking up and down. But God does not turn Igbo like that. The Igbo man is quite different than others. Quite different. Yes. They think that Igbo man don't have home. That's what they think. After when they come, they will ask you, where are you going to? Where are you going? Then I ask the question, does it mean that Igbo man don't have where he come from? The Easterners come from, eh? They have home. Where they come from? Why are you asking me where am I going to? What do you mean? Why I feel that what I'm doing to your land is not, it's not a good thing to you. You are not happy with it. You are not rejoicing with me. So what do you think? I would try to, to adjust myself. I would try to adjust myself. Little here, little to where I come from. Yes, little to where I come from. I come from somewhere. When they think that you would not come from anywhere, we come from somewhere. Then when we take ourselves, we will be able to take Nigerians as a brothers and sisters. At the end of the day, we see that there's no love. They have that love. They don't have that love with Igbo days. They're having Igbos.
Yes, but don't you think that the conspiracy to keep people in Lagos has collapsed because it was intentional? That's the reason why we don't have seaports, we don't have airports, just to keep Igbos to be stealing and making them without it, and house rent and all that. Now it has happened. What do you think Igbo should start thinking home, or Igbo should start to defend themselves?
Yes, absolutely. You're absolutely right. That is the major key. That is the major key. The miserable Igbo man supposed to use the memory. The miserable Igbo man have to use his memory. Think twice. Know that when you come, where you are, that you call your home. You are nobody. They don't recognize you as anybody. They don't recognize you. So what you're supposed to take now is to gradually relocate where you come from. Because they call you slave. That's what they call the Igbo man. They call you minority. That's what they call the Easterners, minority. So that's the signal that our people supposed to, realize that the way they think that the way they call their home was not they did not recognize them. They call what? They call them Enoko. That's what they call Igbo. Enoko. You know the meaning of Enoko? Bush meat. That's what they call Igbos. That's what the Yorubas call Igbos. So that's the signal to you, to the miserable Igbo man, not Igbo Fulanis. No. The miserable Igbo man have to think twice. Think that where you come from has not to blame. The federal government of Nigeria does not think anything concerning that region. They can never think any good thing concerning that region. They don't want you to grow as an Easterner. They don't want you. When you are progressing, they will enter you. They want to know where your money comes from. But have you seen one day, the federal government rise up against Dangote, or any of them from west or the north? But they're only after the Easterners. When they see the Easterners are progressing, they will try to, pull you down. When they come after the innocent. But God has not asleep. Yes. So the Igbo wants to think twice that when we are today, we believe that we we are into our country. We are not into our country. We are not into our country. They don't recognize you. They don't welcome you. They don't carry you along. They hate you more than anybody. You are the worst enemy. The Igbos are the worst enemy as long as Nigeria is concerned. I don't always tell them the worst enemy that Nigeria has today. You can see what is happening in the East. Tell me any single federal infrastructure in the East. Not single. Nothing. After Nigeria for a Biafra war, they promised heaven and earth. Because one still alive today. They promised that they will make sure that they put everything in order. The end of the day, here we are today. Nothing happened in that region. But by His grace, the Igbo man, the Easterners are still surviving. Greater than the so-called Nigeria. They are the older the power. They are in power today. Both of them are in power. The West and the North. They are with yam and knife. The only, cut little to Easterners. The only fish the Easterners, whatever they like. Where they know that that place now is to struggle. That's where they feel Igbo man.
Is it not a plan to stop, make sure that Igbo man does not stand well to acquire Biafra?
That is it. They try to, they make sure, they make sure that they frustrate Igbo man. They frustrate the Easterners. Whereby you can never have much, to force out. That you're in pain. They try to frustrate the Easterners. In the name of one Nigeria. In the name of one Nigeria. Of course, you can see what happened in the 2023 election. When the one party won Lagos, see what happened against the Easterners. The Yorubas come up on board against the Easterners. They come up against it. They said the Easterners want to pollute their land. Coming to the governor election, they declare against the Igbos. They don't want Igbo man to come out and vote. In one Nigeria, I have told them I don't see one Nigeria. In one Nigeria, they declare because of the Easterners not to come out and vote. Is that one country? Are we practicing one country? So that is the signal. They have to. They are giving the richest. The Igbos that they are doing well in Nigeria. That is the signal they are giving to us. That we should be aware. That we does not belong to them. That is the signal. So the Igbos should think. They declare under the governorship. Who come and vote? The governorship was arranged within them. The someone who win, but they declare him winning because it was arranged within them, within the governor. And the tax they do it within themselves. You win. Fine. Igbo man still alive. Say that they say heavenly Igbo. So the Igbos should think twice. They should think twice. Think well. Use their memory. Know that where they start today, it's not their home. So they should think where they come from. Let's think about seaport. Where we come from. You have to see. Let's think about seaport. How can the one Igbo man cannot travel from east of us? Why? They say we don't have that. Who told you? Who told them that? Who told them that? They say we don't have.
We have it.
That we cannot travel from east of us. That's what they are telling us. Who are they deceiving? They are there deceiving themselves. They are coming to them. They are deceiving. Not the Igbos, not the Igbos. So we cannot have the seaport, the international airport. They deny Igbos for that. The major road that the Igbo man used to travel is nowhere to be found. It's nowhere to be found. The major road. Because they know that the Igbo man always travel about. Day by day. Look at that major road. Day to east. If it is west or not. Can you tell that 3 years or 2 years? They could have, wide the road. But they abandoned that region. Because of who? Because of the Igbos. The wicked Igbos. So the signal are given to the signal. They are giving to Igbo. The Igbos have to wake up now. Realize where they come from. Make sure that, when you have 5 naira, shop 2 naira. Transfer 3 naira to where you come from. To eastern part of the country. To Biafra land. Transfer it to there. The signal they are giving us So that we cannot continue to be slaving to them.
Thank you.
And